Hi guys, I'm Raj. This is my PSP box. See, this is my birthday present. This is model is PSP 1003 CB Street PSP PlayStation Carol Black. See this guys, like this PSP. See. Okay guys, yeah, this is my PSP. You like? I know you like my PSP. These keys, these arrow keys and joystick. This is the power button. This is a memory stick. This is the USB portable. See, you can open this way. You can put CD this way. Okay guys. See, this is my PSP purse. You like put this away. Guys, this is my memory stick. This is my love letter. Okay, you can't see that letter. Okay guys, you won't see memory stick, 2GB memory stick. See. Hey guys, this is my USB cable. This is a PSP USB cable. See. Okay guys. This is my PSP charger. See. 5 voltage PSP charger. See. This is my PSP booklet. See. User's guide. See. This see. Sonic. Okay guys, I have more games. This Ultimate Alliance. See, Ultimate Alliance. This Marvel comic games. This is a Aftermoon of Darkness. This is a 2D game. This is a Spectral Shouts. See this game. Yeah. All people like this game. Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories. See. Oh no. Please. Okay. Hi. This is my PSP mini camera. See. This is my PSP mini camera. This is adjustment. Okay guys, yeah, see that my PSP. This is we can play games. Ben 10, Indiana Jones. It was the Shift, the Pro update. And is a video. Oh no, there are no video. You can listen music. Oh no god. This is a camera. You like put this way. Okay. Okay guys. Guys, see this. Oh, we see. Like, see. This is a 1.3 megapixels. This is a camera. You can get photos and video. and review settings display. Okay, this is expose adjustment, effect, white balance, image quality, image size, zoom. Okay, back my digital comics, date and time settings, power save settings, sound settings, security settings. This PSP 1003 have not used internet. Is a bad thing. See this security settings, change password. They can't put your use can't use internet. See, not internet. System update. No application update was found. See my memory card. This is the 4GB ultimate original memory stick. See. Okay, guys. Ooh. Okay, guys. I know like this video. Please comment this video. Bye, guys. We are meet next video. Bye.